Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to convert BTC to USDT in Binance. So let's get into the video. So open up Binance and log into your Binance account. So once you've logged in here, so what you're going to do on your top here, you have this conversion option here on your top. So you can also do this on your mobile app if you have the app. So it's either way same process. So here click on the convert option here. So click on the convert option. So when you click on convert option, you will get to this screen here. So here select BTC because we're going to convert from BTC, exchange from BTC to USDT. So you're going to convert to US dollars. So make sure this is from BTC to US dollars, and then now type in, depending on your availability of your funds. Since I don't have any cryptos on my accounts, it's none here, so just choose the amount, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just on your right here just confirm and review the rate and everything. And then once you're done, all you have to do is simply hit on confirm convert, and that will convert it for you. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.